determine the extent of the damage in the house. We should never say how something should be fixed, because there are always several ways to fix any given problem in a house. Our job is just to observe the defect, because in the end, the method of repair and what's acceptable to your buyers is determined by them. It's not up to us to say how something should be fixed. Exterior needs power washed, especially north side of the house. First of all, that is strictly cosmetic and has no place in an inspection report whatsoever. The north side of houses, the north side of trees accumulate a little bit of mold and mildew growth because it's the north side of the house and it's the last part of it to dry off. Power washing needed. You should never, ever power wash the siding on a house, because you are going to drive water behind that siding and actually damage the structure. So now we're calling out a cosmetic defect and giving people the absolute wrong thing in the world that needs to be done to address it. So we should never say how something needs to be fixed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.